Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Neha and in today's video I'll be styling my brother's clothes, like 5 outfits. And I had this idea a while back and I thought it would be pretty easy, but oh my god, I didn't know it would be so difficult. Just these 5 outfits took me so much of time and effort and thinking just to make them look different from one another. So I hope you guys like it. So without further ado, let's begin this video. Hi guys, so for the first outfit we have this big black t-shirt and an even bigger pair of light blue jeans. Now starting with the t-shirt, I've taken the collar together and then pinned it from the inside to make it look like a high neck top, because high neck tops are really trendy right now. Then for the sleeves, I've seen these tops going around with these boxy tank sleeves. So I'll just roll up the sleeves and put it inside my innerwear to make them look like those tops. Next, I'll gather the bottom of my top and tie it into a knot at the back using a rubber band, because I feel like with this look a knot at the back would go better than one at the front. Also, I'll just be using shoes from my closet because my feet are really tiny. Next, for the jeans, in order to fix these extremely large jeans, I'll show you guys a trick. So we'll be passing the button through the first belt loop and then close it. I think the video can do a better job to explain this. Now that our jeans is like one size tighter, I'll wear this really cool belt, which is again from my brother's closet. The jeans is too long for me, so I'll be rolling up the bottom twice, and then I'll be adding my leopard, cheetah, I don't know, animal print heels, and we'll be done with this really chic and classy look. So for my next outfit, I'll be keeping the same jeans on, and for the top I'll wear a plain red tee. I'll be tying a crisscross knot at the front of the t-shirt. You can also use a rubber band to tie the knot. Next, I'll be taking my brother's Chinese collar shirt and wearing it as a flannel. But I do not like the look of the sleeves open, so I'm gonna roll the sleeves up and then turn the outside part inside to give the sleeves a more cleaner look in general. Next, I'm gonna add a black belt and the same shoes to complete the look. I feel like this is such a fun and sporty look. So for this look, I'm going to be taking the same black t-shirt. It's very versatile and is a closet staple. Then I'm going to pair it with my brother's camo print joggers. Now for the top, I'm going to just tuck the bottom part inside my innerwear to make it look like a cropped t-shirt. I like my sleeves short, so I'll be rolling them up. I'll do nothing with the joggers because they just look perfect. I'll be pairing this look with the same shoes and a high ponytail, and we are done. This is really easy but such a classic look. This outfit is my favorite. Doesn't look pretty now, but wait to see how the turntables turn. So I have this huge camo print shirt and a pair of white jeans. Starting with the shirt, I'm gonna wear it sideways and close the buttons accordingly. Now for the remaining shirt, I'm gonna tuck the shorter side inside my jeans. And then take the remaining shirt and the remaining sleeve and tie a knot in the front. I hope you can understand seeing the video. You can keep the knot outside, but I will tuck it all inside the shirt just because it looks way more cleaner that way. Lastly, for the sleeve, I'll take a rubber band and tie around my arm and then roll the sleeve around it as I'm showing in the video. I'm doing this technique so that we'll have the cuff still visible. It looks really pretty. For the jeans next, I'm gonna be using the same technique as I used for the previous one, and I'm gonna pair it with this tan colored belt. I'm gonna roll the lower part of my jeans twice towards the inside. Last but not the least, I'm gonna wear my tan colored boots to match my belt, and we have this amazing look ready. So for this last look, I was pretty much exhausted, so I just grabbed this full sleeve t-shirt from my brother and paired it up with my printed jeggings. Also paired it up with some flip-flops, and yeah, this look is complete. This outfit is the best when you just want to be comfy. So these are the 5 outfits. I hope you guys liked it, and maybe you got some inspiration to revamp your brother's, your father's, or maybe your boyfriend's outfits. If you guys liked it, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you soon. Till then, bye!